How incredible would it be to swiftly reduce weight with just one drink? It might be difficult to believe, but drinking this beverage regularly has been found to assist in a short amount of time. You can reduce your levels of fat, especially belly fat, by consuming just one glass of this juice before night. You will observe improvement in just a few days if you take it every night and exercise for about 25 minutes after waking up. The formation of fat as you sleep is not unusual. Why? Because your body doesn't degrade materials as quickly when you sleep. The components in this beverage will hasten the breakdown of substances in your body, enabling it to continue burning fat even while you sleep. How is that even possible? Because all of the ingredients in this drink have been demonstrated to increase metabolism. When you consume it just before night, your body keeps metabolizing things swiftly. Both parsley and cilantro have relatively few calories and are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that are excellent for releasing water that has been retained. They are therefore useful for reducing a bloated stomach. Cucumbers are excellent in reducing fat. They are a crucial component of any weight loss strategy. Cucumbers are high in water and fiber, both of which are necessary for fat burning, yet only have 45 calories per entire cucumber. They also add a nice flavor to the drink and are quite cooling. Lemon juice is effective at removing toxins that have accumulated in the body. Lemon juice can help you lose body fat if you drink it. Additionally, the removal of the toxins that have accumulated in your body will make you feel much better. Ginger is highly effective in reducing belly fat since it speeds up the body's ability to break down materials and prevents constipation. This component will aid in fat burning while you sleep. Lastly, aloe vera juice is another product that is beneficial for weight loss. It is chock full of antioxidants and aids in preventing free radicals, which cause bloating and swelling. Additionally, this juice accelerates the rate at which your body breaks down substances, which can assist in reducing your body mass index. You'll feel lighter and more energized when you wake up if you have this healthy beverage before bed. You can quickly brew this weight loss drink with 5 basic ingredients, which you can get at your local grocery shop. Ingredients: 1 lemon, 1 cucumber, 1 tablespoon of ginger root, grated, juice from 1 spoonful of aloe vera, 12 glasses of water, and a handful of cilantro or parsley. Making the juice is as simple as combining all the components, blending them, and sipping a glass of the juice before night. Give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends if you enjoy it. Subscribe if you want to see more recipes and advice.